bed rotting. It's not good. Don't want to do anything today, actually. Good morning. I'm really freaking tired. I woke up way too early. Like, my alarm doesn't go off for another hour, but that's okay. I went to bed earlier than usual, so I don't want to get out of bed. I don't want it. So you know what that means? That means we're gonna do it anyway. And to be honest, I'm feeling really unmotivated because winter makes me fucking sad. It makes me so depressed. I just need the sun, I need summer, and I've been fantasizing of laying on a beach with palm trees or like the Croatian beach for months now, and I just can't take it anymore. And I'm going to Spain later this year in the summer, and I just keep daydreaming about it every day, and that's what keeps me going. Because I just feel like winter is living the same day over and over again, and it's driving me insane. But it's okay, because I got my routines, I got my healthy habits set in place, and I'm just struggling a little bit extra during the colder months to keep that going. So today we're having a Sunday reset. Let's make a little to-do list. I use a little notebook because this is my ADHD notebook and it works really well. Some people keep their to-do list on their phones, but I just get distracted the second I'm on my phone. So I use an old school notebook and just write down everything that I need to remember and just brain dumps in general on my to-do list. Like, I love it when it's clean, but it's such a hassle to do the cleaning. I don't know, sometimes it makes me peaceful, and other times, like today, I don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it. So I'm really glad that I cleaned everything. I only got to mop the floor and I've got to do some groceries, and then my Sunday reset to-do list is checked off. But I do struggle a bit with my time blindness because, well, it's like 4:30. I checked, it's 4:30, which means it's almost dinner time and I still got to do groceries and I got to do some cooking. But I also want to mop the floor, but I don't want to do that when it's dark because I want to have my curtains off the ground and I don't want people looking in. And also, when my partner gets home, I don't want him to like have to go to his office to, you know, I want to see him. So I'm gonna take a small break. And then I'll decide if I'm still gonna mop the floor today or maybe tomorrow. Sundays are also for resting, so we're not stressing anything. Like, my house is clean, it's fine. I don't want to go outside, like, I don't want to do anything today actually, like I said this morning, and that's still the case. But I do love to give myself a little dopamine boost, so I'll just spray my favorite, forever favorite Victoria's Secret body spray. It has glitters and it gives me this boost and it reminds me of summer, and I'm on the beach. I'm on the freaking beach. I have a link where you can get it. I'll put it in the description box, and I want to know what your favorite dopamine source is because I need some more. I need to add to my dopamine menu. So let me know in the comments what your favorite dopamine is. So I got some schnitzel for my partner because he loves those. Some roasted chicken for myself for my salad. Also got potatoes for mashing them. Some spring onion because it's always good to have spring onion at home. Some Greek yogurt. Some Greek yogurt. Mozzarella, sparkling water, and I got some snacks. It's the next day and I feel a lot better. I was so unmotivated and in such a bad mood yesterday, and I was really trying to hype myself up, and I just didn't have the time to make myself a nice matcha. So I logged in for delayed gratification and I got myself a matcha today. Because we need to reward ourselves. I'm so proud of myself for like doing stuff every day. Like I used to just sit in bed all day, be depressed and bed rotting. It's not good. It's not good. So for today, I'm still gonna mop the floor. I'm gonna mop the floor because I feel very locked in. We're done, we're finished, we mopped the floor. So now I'm just gonna chill for a sec, for a minute, until the floor is dried up. Whoever says that cleaning the house is not a complete workout is a liar, because I am breaking a sweat over here. I'm tired.